we acknowledged that there is a challenge with regards to the issues related to the implementation of immigration law. And it is for that reason that the BMA was formed and funded and supported. We accept that the money might not be enough, but it is there now and it is supported. And since the BMA has started in the last, since 2023, it has deported about 500 illegal immigrants. The president during SONA has announced the appointment of 10,000 labor inspectors and immigration officers. It's a process that is still underway. This is aimed to support the capability of the state to do this. It is what government is condemning, is that it's not for citizens to take it to their own hands to implement and enforce immigration law. It is for law enforcement officers. The fact that now there is groups that are moving from house to house, identifying foreign nationals, it's a witch hunt, and that cannot be allowed in any constitutional democracy.